We have a nice equation here. We'll solve the equation for x. Let us start the video. We have x to the power x times square root of x equals x times square root of x whole to the power x. Then we can write x to the power x whole to the power square root of x equals x times x to the power half whole to the power x, because if we have a to the power mn, we can write it as a to the power m whole n. Means we can take one power out of and we can write whole of that power. Again, square root of a equals a to the power half. So we have used these two rules. Now we can write x to the power x whole to the power square root of x equals, we can simplify and write x to the power 1 plus half whole to the power x. Then we can write x to the power x whole to the power square root of x equals x to the power 2 plus 1 by 2 whole to the power x. Then we can write x to the power x whole to the power square root of x equals x to the power 3 by 2 whole to the power x. Then we can write x to the power x whole to the power square root of x equals x to the power x whole to the power 3 by 2. We can exchange the power here. If we have a to the power m whole to the power n, we can write this as a to the power n whole of m. We can exchange the power. Since the bases are same, bases are x to the power x, so the powers will be same. So we can write square root of x equals 3 by 2, because if we have a to the power m equals a to the power n, we can write m equals n. Now if we square both sides, we get square root of x whole square equals 3 by 2 whole square, which gives us x equals 3 times 3 is 9 and 2 times 2 is 4. So this is the value of the x and this is the solution for our given equation. This is the end of our video. Thanks for watching the video.